Hello everyone, and in today's video let's take a closer look at Telesin 1.3 m long selfie stick with a remote control. An accessory that can help you get a decent length third-person view perspective. It can be quickly turned into an extendable tripod, and thanks to its ultra-small remote control, you can wirelessly control your GoPro and take a photo or record yourself. So the main reason why this accessory might be interesting for you is that it only costs around $40, and for that price you get a decent quality selfie stick and a tiny remote control that can help you control your GoPro and smartphone. So inside of the package we can find Telesin Selfie Stick, which is around 1.3 m long when fully extended. We also have a tiny remote control that can be used with GoPro or your smartphone. We also have a mobile phone adapter if you want to use it with your phone. And we also have 2 thumb screws and a USB-C charging cable. This remote control is really tiny, and what's best about it is that it weighs only around 5 grams, which is next to nothing. Yet somehow they managed to squeeze in here 3 buttons to wirelessly control your camera. The remote control can be quickly attached to the selfie stick thanks to the small socket on the grip. This way it's gonna be easier for you to take a photo or record yourself. You can also use it separately to control your camera from a distance and get some creative shots with it. According to Telesin, the maximum operating range is around 40 meters, so let's test it. 40. So this distance should be around 40 meters away from the camera. So normally I don't expect you to use this remote control 40 meters away from the camera, but if you really want to, it works. Unfortunately, this remote control is so small and tiny that there's no space in it for LCD display. So you cannot check which mode you're in, or you cannot check your setting. I focused so much on the remote control in this review that I almost entirely forgot about the selfie stick. The truth is that this selfie stick is just okay, not bad in any way, but also nothing special. Just a regular selfie stick that can be turned into a tripod, like many selfie sticks out there. And if you take a closer look at the bottom of it, notice that there is a small button. If you press on it, you can easily turn it into a tripod. You can either use it as a small tripod if you need more stability for recording time lapses, etc. When you want to take some photos, you extend it up to 124 centimeters, but it's a bit too short for vlogging. Alright guys, so I'll recommend this accessory to anyone who wants to casually use their GoPro. I think the biggest advantage of this product is that it comes with a tiny remote control. So if you want to record yourself while traveling, maybe take some photos with your family, or you want to simply have the third-person view perspective, then I think this accessory might be for you. For only around $40, you can get a decent length selfie stick and a remote control, so that's not really that bad. Alright guys, so for today's video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you once again for watching and see you in the next one.